Did you know that nearly 50% of consumers purchased directly from an email last year? And with ROI as high as $36 to $40 for every dollar spent, mass email services are still one of the smartest moves in marketing. But here's the problem. Most businesses still treat email like a giant megaphone. They blast the same thing to everyone and then wonder why open rates tank. The truth is, not all mass email services are created equal. Some are great for beginners, some are built for developers, and some, like Omnisend, are designed specifically to turn e-commerce campaigns into actual sales. So today we're breaking down 10 best mass email services for 2025, who they're really for, and how to pick the right one for your business. By the end, you'll know exactly which service gives you the most bang for your buck, and which ones to avoid. Let's roll. Let's start with Mailchimp, one of the most recognizable names in email marketing. It's easy to get started with, it has clean templates, campaign scheduling, even A/B testing, and audience insights. But here's the thing, the free plan is pretty limited. You only get 500 contacts, 1,000 emails per month, and you can't schedule campaigns unless you upgrade. That means if you want your newsletter to go out at 9 a.m. tomorrow, you literally have to set an alarm, wake up, and hit send yourself. Paid plans start at $13 a month, and if you want all the advanced features, premium costs $350. So yeah, Mailchimp is great for general use, especially if you're just starting out. But as you grow, you're going to run into limits fast, and the price gets steep pretty quickly. GetResponse has some pretty advanced tools. There's an AI email generator, a photo editor built right in, list scoring and tagging, and automation workflows that can get pretty complex. On the free plan, you can add up to 500 contacts and send 2,500 emails a month. But here's the trade-off. You don't get e-commerce tools like promo codes, abandoned cart recovery, or product recommendations unless you're on a paid plan. Those start at $10 a month, and they scale up as you add features. So who's this for? Mid-sized businesses or enterprise teams that are ready to pay for more sophisticated email marketing. For a small shop, it's probably overkill. HubSpot is less of an email platform and more of a whole marketing suite. The big advantage is that your email campaigns are directly connected to your CRM, so you can personalize based on your customer data you already have. On the free plan, you can send 2,000 emails per month, with your cap at 500 per day. You also get 10 active lists, and there's no campaign reporting included. If you want automation and analytics, you'll need the paid Marketing Hub. That starts at $20 a month, but the professional tier jumps all the way to $800. So HubSpot is fantastic if you're already living in their ecosystem. But if you need just email, it's way more than you probably want to deal with. Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue, focuses on affordability. Instead of charging you for how many contacts you have, they charge you for how many emails you send. On the free plan, you can also send 300 emails per day, and you also get access to their drag-and-drop builder, an AI subject line generator, and real-time stats. But you won't get predictive sending, A/B testing, or a landing page builder unless you upgrade. Paid plans start at $9 a month, which is pretty reasonable. So if you want something affordable and straightforward, Brevo is a good fit. Just don't expect advanced e-commerce features. Now this one's interesting. Sender has one of the most generous free plans out there. You can manage up to 2,500 subscribers and send up to 15,000 emails a month for free. And the free plan isn't watered down. You still get automation workflows, segmentation, a drag-and-drop editor, and real-time reporting with heat maps. The trade-off is that you only get one user account, no auto-resend for unopened emails, and the templates are more basic compared to some other platforms. Paid plans start at $10 a month, which makes this one of the best budget-friendly options. So if you're looking for maximum email volume without paying, Sender is a pretty good option. Moving on, Mailgun is completely different from the others on the list. It's not really made for marketers, it's built for developers. Instead of drag-and-drop templates, Mailgun gives you APIs to send, validate, and analyze emails. The free plan includes 100 emails a day with access to their APIs and analytics. If you're technical, Mailgun is powerful. You get fine-grained control over deliverability, validation tools, and advanced optimization on the paid plans. But if you're not a developer, it's not the right choice, I'm afraid. SMTP.com is also a little different. It's built for high-volume users who care about infrastructure and deliverability, more than templates. There's also no free plan here. The essential tier starts at $25 a month for up to 50,000 emails. Higher tiers go into the hundreds. What you do get is bulk delivery, detailed reporting, APIs, and reputation management. Basically, it's all about reliability and scale. So SMTP.com is best for businesses sending tens of thousands or even millions of emails. If that's you, it's a rock-solid option. If not, it's probably a bit too much. Postmark focuses on transactional emails, such as receipts, password resets, and alerts. The free plan lets you send 100 emails a month. Paid plans start at $15 a month. You get templates, message streams, REST API support, and really strong deliverability tracking. Though be aware that it's not built for big marketing campaigns, but if you're a product team that needs transactional emails to land instantly and reliably, Postmark is quite excellent. Mailtrap is a unique one. It's all about testing. The free plan gives you 1,000 emails a month with a daily cap of 200. You also get one inbox and up to 100 contacts. You can test emails with snippets, see analytics, and run authentication checks. Paid plans start at $15 a month, though it's mostly for developers or QA teams who want to test and troubleshoot emails before sending them at scale. And finally, Omnisend. This one's built specifically for e-commerce, and it's the standout here, just saying. Even on the free plan, you get features that other platforms lock behind paid tiers. Things like pre-built automation workflows, abandoned cart recovery, product recommendations, discount codes, A/B testing, segmentation, and detailed reporting. The free plan lets you send 500 emails a month to 250 contacts. That might sound small compared to Sender, but the features are what make the difference. Here's a real-world example. Solomon Japan used Omnisend to reach over 130,000 subscribers. Their emails hit a 45% open rate and brought in about $13,000 in sales from a single campaign. That's the power of using a platform designed to actually sell, not just send. So there you have it, 10 of the best mass email services in 2025. Now, every platform has its strengths. Mailchimp is simple for beginners, Sender has a generous free plan, and Brevo keeps things affordable. But if you're running an e-commerce business and you want a platform that's actually built to drive sales, Omnisend is a clear choice. If you want to take this further and actually learn how to use these tools to convert subscribers into customers, check out our video on email segmentation strategies right here. Because sending emails is easy, but sending the right emails is what gets results. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. More smart marketing tips are coming. See ya!